Okay.
Here, and I'll go for it. I'll go. Oh! No, what have I done? Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to 12 Days of Cookies, day 7. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Teala.
Hello. Thank you for having me.
Oh my gosh, and you guys, tomorrow is her birthday. Okay, so this busy birthday girl is even coming over to make cookies with me the day before your birthday.
It's true. I'm so excited. I cannot believe I'm going to be 27 tomorrow.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
such an adult age.
Adult.
That's why we got to make the cookies to celebrate.
Okay, so these are not only holiday cookies, they are now Teala's birthday cookies.
Yes.
And she told me she loves hot cocoa.
I love hot chocolate.
Perfect, because the cookies that we're making today are hot chocolate cookies. Like, if a cup of hot chocolate
was in a cookie, it would be this?
was in a cookie, it would be this. It is so cute and it's so easy to decorate. Like, there's no decoration. So this is great for a beginner baker.
I'm as beginner as they come. So this is perfect for me.
It's delicious. It's so good. Teala and I have baked together a lot before, but you know what? We also were in Escape the Night together.
We sure were
And
head to head.
They made us compete against each other, and I did not want to.
I didn't like it at
literally
all.
was holding her hand, and I was like, I don't want to do this. Not fair at all, you guys. But Joey has crowdfunding for a new Escape the Night movie right now, so I'm gonna put a link down below. Go check it out. Show him some love, support if you can. I'm doing it because I want to see more Escape the Night.
Me too.
Let's get started. Okay, so first step to making these cookies is whisking together our dry ingredients in a medium bowl. So Teala, I'm gonna put you to work.
Okay.
We've got some flour. We've got cocoa powder if you want to add that.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay,
And I
let's
will be
go.
putting all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below. So if you want to follow along and make these at home, you can. Baking soda.
Okay.
Then a little salt. Last but not least, Smells
espresso powder. I love coffee.
smells like coffee. You add a little bit of espresso powder, or you can add a little bit of coffee to chocolate goods like chocolate cake or cookies because it really brings out the cocoa flavor. I don't know why they pair so well together, but they
do.
They're flavor friends.
Yeah.
And you won't even taste the coffee. You don't taste it. It just makes the chocolate taste more chocolatey. Now, just whisk together till well combined, and all that means is you want all the dry ingredients to become the same color.
Okay, it smells so good already. Oh my gosh. I just love hot cocoa so much.
It smells like hot cocoa mix.
It
you
does.
know the little packets that you open? And
Yes, it really does. There's just nothing like hot chocolate, especially for like the holidays.
Yes. My favorite, it's a tie between hot chocolate and hot apple cider.
Oh my gosh, yes. Hot apple cider is divine. I think I mixed it in.
Yeah,
pretty
this
good.
is looking good, Teala. We're gonna set our dry ingredients off to the side, and now we're gonna start on our wet ingredients and cream together our butter and sugar. Just scoop in that whole stick, one stick of butter.
One stick.
And you want it to be soft.
Okay.
Not cold, right out of the refrigerator.
Definitely not.
And not
No hard.
melted. That's gonna mess up your cookie.
Oh, really? Okay.
Your cookies won't bake right. They'll be like,
See, I would have melted it.
yeah, no melting.
No.
Just nice and soft.
Don't do it.
Leave it out at room temperature. That's perfect for creaming. And then we're gonna pour in both these sugars.
Okay.
So we've got a little bit of brown sugar and then a regular granulated sugar. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's a little sticky. There we go.
Whoa, look at her go. That's crazy. And then all of the white.
Yeah, all of it. And now on a medium speed, we're gonna mix together for a couple of minutes until it's light and fluffy. We don't want it to look sandy anymore.
Okay.
We want it to look
Light and
nice and
fluffy.
smooth. Yeah. Okay.
So how do
Ready?
what's medium?
In here-ish.
Is that good? Oh.
Yeah. Just push it down. Yeah.
Okay.
Little circles.
I'm getting into it.
There you go, and you can spin the bowl around just like that.
Okay.
Teala, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
We're gonna crank it up.
Cranking up the speed.
Okay, like this. Teala, big circles.
Oh
Okay,
my
you got
goodness.
It. You
Okay,
got it.
okay,
You got it.
okay.
Big circles. Big
Big
circles.
circles, big circles.
Yeah. All right, this is looking good. Now we're just gonna add 1 whole egg and a little bit of vanilla extract.
I love vanilla.
Makes every cookie that much better.
And just everything.
Everything. This is gonna be good, you guys. All right, now we're gonna mix together one more time before we add our dry.
Is it time for the dry?
Yeah.
The mix?
Add all of the dry
Ooh.
into the wet. Ooh. And we're gonna mix together on a really low speed. Teala, like one. Like stick those sticks in there and go one. So we don't poof, get a big dust cloud.
Very true. Okay.
Yeah, and now this cookie dough is gonna be a little thick.
Okay, we like them thick.
This is not a thin cookie dough. This is not a liquidy cookie dough. It's gonna get thick. When it's about halfway mixed right here, we're just gonna add a little bit of milk. Just a little bit, just a little dash. Oh, this is perfect. Teala, that's what I'm talking about. Let me get the spatula. Okay,
yes,
don't forget,
sides.
scrape down those sides. Okay,
she's taught me so well, guys. This is looking really good.
okay, this is beautiful. This dough is actually almost perfect here. Okay, it's ready.
She's ready.
There's one last step, Teala.
Okay, what's the last step?
We've got to fold.
We're folding
in some chocolate chips.
And how do we do that?
So how to fold, you can use a spatula or a big wooden spoon. You got your chocolate chips here. I'm gonna have you pour them in. And you fold when you don't want to ruin whatever ingredient you're putting in here. For it to be more gentle, you go underneath all the dough, flip it over the top, and turn. Just do a little turn. It doesn't need to be a lot. Under, over, turn.
Okay.
This is a really thick batter. So this is gonna take a little bit of muscle, but I know you can do it. Under.
Oh yeah, this does
flip
require
it over.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it. Now it's just a big cake ball. This batter is so thick and it's hard to fold. I mean, we may need this. So if your batter is too thick, it can actually break a spatula, which I
know.
Yeah, I did it and I've broken a spatula before.
Oh my
so if you have
God.
a thick batter, use one of these.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to break this up just a little because
it's that thick.
Oh my goodness. Our cookie dough is ready to scoop. It's looking so good. So I'm using a little ice cream scooper.
So smart.
Because it makes it a little bit easier. But if you don't have one of these at home, the measurement is about 2.5 or 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
So it's a big cookie. So you're gonna scoop it, but if you have one of these, and we want it flat.
Okay.
No heaping scoop, just nice and, flat. And then look at this, Teala, this is so fun. Ready? On top of a baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper, we just click it out.
And voila.
How fun. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Okay, give it a go, give it a go.
Okay.
Do a nice big scoop, and then make sure it's nice and flat on the top.
Okay.
And if there's too much, you can use this.
Yeah, I think I did too much.
Yeah, if there's too much, you could do this.
Okay.
That's perfect.
And then?
Yeah, and then just go clicky clicky.
Look at her!
Beautiful.
Yay!
Beautiful, beautiful.
It smells so good. I'm so tempted to just eat it from the spoon.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a little bit right here, just a little nibble.
How is it?
Oh my gosh, it tastes like a hot cocoa packet.
But in a, I'm ready. Only you guys can smell it through the screens.
I know. I wish we had what I would call it 4D, where you could smell.
Yeah.
You could smell.
That would be so iconic.
I went in a movie theater that let you do a 4D.
Oh my God! Isn't it so intense? Was it an action movie?
What, did you? Was it Shrek?
No.
Oh. Whew, okay. Here, Teala, you show off these cookies. All right.
Look at that, guys. They look so good.
Cute. All right, our cookies are now ready to bake, and the baking instructions are a little bit funny.
Okay.
But we can do it. We can handle it.
What can we do? After folding, I can do anything.
We can do it. Once you've got the dough on the baking sheet, we're gonna pop them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
To chill so that they'll keep their shape a little better while they're baking. And then you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 9 minutes.
Okay.
But then here's the twist.
I'm ready for the fun part.
We take it out of the oven. We put marshmallows on the top. And we pop them back in the oven for 3 more minutes to bake. Then we take them out again and we lightly tap them down and boom.
Perfect.
Hot chocolate with marshmallows. It's amazing, you guys. Okay.
Into the fridge we go.
Yeah, into the fridge and then into the oven. Woo! Woo!
All right, guys, we just took the cookies out of the oven. They baked for 9 minutes. It's still very hot.
Yep, be careful.
What do we do now?
All right, so now you're gonna take these little marshmallows.
Okay.
Place them right on top like this.
Okay.
Not this way, this way.
Okay.
Okay, just like that. You got it, Teala.
Okay.
Once you've got all the marshmallows on top, we're gonna pop this back in the oven and bake for 3 minutes. Woo! Okay, here we go, here we go.
Okay,
Put on
mittens
the
on, safety first. Don't burn yourself.
Put on the mittens, everybody. Put on those oven mittens. All right, back in they go, back. Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay, here we go, back in. Woo!
Okay, they are out of the oven. They're hot, hot, hot. What do we do? Are we patting them?
Yes, we're gonna pat, but don't hold your hand on it because it's hot. It's a quick little pat, 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 like that. Hoo, hoo. They're hot. I mean, they're hot.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
That's a hot.
Ooh. Okay.
The noise helps.
Okay.
Here, and I'll go for it. I'll go. Oh! No, what have I done? Okay, that's fine.
Beautiful.
That's fine. And
Beautiful.
now, last but not least, a little sprinkle. You know, just a little sprinkle on top.
Oh, she looks so pretty.
Look at that.
Okay, just a little, just a wee
Yeah,
bit.
just a little bit. Just a little sprinkle.
Okay, I might have done a little too much. My bad.
Oh
Beautiful.
my God, this is gorgeous. Now we've got to let them cool, and then we can enjoy. Here are the hot chocolate cookies that we made today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. A big thank you to Teala for baking with me today.
Thank you for having me,
Oh my gosh, it was so much fun, beautiful.
Way
And
too much fun.
You guys, go wish her a happy birthday because her birthday is tomorrow. We're just pre-celebrating with some cookies.
We are.
Oh yeah. And I'll be posting the recipe online, so if you want to bake these at home, you can. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, are you ready to taste our hot cocoa cookies?
I have been waiting for this moment since
I'm
I
gonna
walked
let you
in the
pick
door.
first because you're the birthday girl.
This one was calling my name.
Okay, I'm going for this one. Here we go. Here we go.
Cheers.
Oh,
marshmallow
my
I got in there.
The marshmallow, the texture, you guys.
It's the perfect amount of chocolatey.
And I love the chocolate chips because it gives it a little bit of texture. If you love hot cocoa,
This is for you.
you're gonna love these, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have very happy holidays. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here. And then Teala, you go or up there.
Or up there.
Perfect. And stay tuned for tomorrow. We are gonna have a new recipe
Ooh.
and a new guest.
Bye, guys.
Bye.